Okay, now let's go take a look at CyberJapan, because CyberJapan, they have a new video out where they are playing water games. They're playing in the water, and that's great stuff. CyberJapan, they not really a pop group. They're kind of like a dancer, a crew of dancers, but they do music. They sing. Um, I I don't know, but they do a lot of this, and this is great. Okay, they do a lot of modeling, but stuff like this: bikini girls battle, 12 girls water chicken fight, water chicken fight. Let's go see this water chicken fight. Okay, all right. Enjoy. This is what they do over there in Japan, right? That's why we're doing this, guys. It's a learning experience. How's it going, Preston? Hope you're enjoying. All right, we got the red team and our black team. Red and black. All right, let's go and fast forward to when they start. Okay, we got some other girls in the mix. Who are these girls? They're like new. The new blood. They're excited to play chicken. Their career's on the line. If they fail, they don't make it. They're all hungry. They haven't eaten anything. Man, she's short. I think she's like the shortest girl there in that pool. And it's probably only 4 foot. All right, our girls are gearing up, getting ready. But they can't, she can't even get on. Not a good start for the black team. Not a good start at all. So wait. So we have red team, black team, and then we have this renegade bunch. Is that right? You got this renegades. Okay. All right. You got the red team, black team, and you got these others. The other girls. Come on, get in position. Come on. All right. Who has it? Black team or the other girls? Or white tops. We could just call them white tops. Look at that. Okay. I think they're doing some boasting that they got it. They're sure and confident that they have it. Hey, that hat is ours. We're taking that hat. Okay. Pink. Oh, green lunged. Look at that. Black bikini just lunged and took it. Lunged, took it, easy. Easy as pie. Look at that. No contest. No contest there. Let's watch that one more time there. Look at that. See, they're circling around. Black bikini just goes for it. Immediately. All right. Got a point for the black team there. Red team's going up. Is that 20th Century Fox? That's not. What is that? What's going on there? What's going on in their bikinis? Okay. Here we go. Red team's going up. They're boasting. They think they have this. Find out. Who do you think has this? Red team, blue hat or pink hat? Yeah, blue hat or pink hat. That's what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna say pink hat's gonna get it. All right. In fact, I think blue hat's gonna be kind of skittish. Okay, look, they're circling. Blue hat's kind of going for it, but not really. They're kind of playing chicken right here, right? Oh, blue went. Oh, pink is playing defense. Oh man, just nabbed it. Let's take a look at that. Look, they're circling around. Look at that. Look at that view. So much you can get there. Okay. Look at that form. That form is. Let's go back. Look at that form there. Great posture. Okay. Blue hat making it seem like she's not going to do it. Kind of skittish. But pink hat kind of revealed that she's not the aggressive, right? She's not the aggressive one. She's playing defense. She's scared. She's intimidated. And there you go. All right. Let's go for another. Do we have another in this video? Oh. Alrighty. We had some fun. Are they done? For real? I'd like to see another round. Oh, what are they doing now? Let's back up. Okay, so they all have hats. And they have to take the hats off. Ready? Go. Huh. There's so much going on, fellas. Hard to Joe Rogan commentate on this one. Look, there's some stuff going on in the background. You got pink hat and yellow hat. Oh, pink hat and white hat going at it. They're so afraid. Just grab the hat. There you go, blue hat. There you go. Just yank it off, man. Just yank it off. Don't be afraid. Oh, her hand's on the hat. That's cheating. She is cheating. Disqualified. You know? I think you have to, like, sanction her. Maybe she has to take, bikini off or something. I don't know what you do. Oh, that's so cheap. Look at that cheap. Cheap. You can't do that. Cheap. You won, cheap. Disgraceful. She has no honor. All right. So that's what they do in the pool over there in Japan.